the youngest man to ever circumnavigate the globe on his own, unassisted, solo, and without a stop. Jesse Martin was born in 1981 in Buchow, Germany, while his parents Colin and Louise traveled throughout Europe and Asia. He was 2 when they returned to Australia, just before his brother Bao was born. Jesse Martin and his family moved from Melbourne to Tasmania afterwards, and that's where he learned how to drive a boat, and his passion sparked from there on. His 50,000-kilometre voyage, which must pass the Azores Islands in the North Atlantic Ocean, to be a genuine circumnavigation. He is expected to take about 9 months. The 17-year-old's 10-meter yacht, Lionheart, was weighed down with high carbohydrate food supplies and navigational equipment. It will be the first time Jesse has sailed solo outside the bay. Jesse's publicity agent contacted him and said he was well, but too tired to talk for long. As he left from Sandringham Yacht Club, his mother, the day before, said Louise Martin and she was pleased to see her son attempting to realize his dream. Martin's yacht Lionheart. During his 9-month voyage, Jesse will have no more than 20 minutes sleep at a time to ensure he avoids collisions with whales, icebergs, or other boats. He will have 1 cup of water a day to wash in and will experience temperatures of -10 degrees. Jesse is chasing the world record of Western Australian yachtsman David Dix, who was 18 years and 41 days old when he completed his 274-day solar circumnavigation in November 1996. But he hopes to complete the journey without relying on Lionheart's engine. He plans on only with the aid of solar and wind generators and a spirit stove. The tools that Jesse Martin had to use on his way of circumnavigating the globe. Jesse Martin obviously had to use his yacht, which was named Lionheart. He used a satellite phone to contact his school during his studies in sea and his family members. Navigational equipment to circumnavigate the globe. High carbonate food supplies was there as healthy food to keep him alive. Laptop was to study at school while he was in sea. A digital camera was to take photos of his adventure. And the Mistral logo was the one that got him $300,000 from the Mistral company for them to put the logo on his yacht called Lionheart. Thank you for watching my presentation.